Good morning, children. This is Neetu, ma'am. Since we are done with one project based chapter and one written chapter, moving to the next written chapter, My Body. Children, this is very interesting chapter because now today we are going to study about your own body. Yeah. So after studying the chapter, you will be able to identify all the external body parts and you will understand all your sense organs. So before we move into the chapter, let's answer some questions. Yeah? What are these body parts? So children, please keep a copy and a pencil, and whatever questions are written over here, you will have to write the answer. Okay? One of the two round parts of your face under your eyes. Just below your eyes, there are two round things are there. Below your eyes, there are two round things are there. What are these? Just guess and then you have to write. Okay? You always hold it. If somebody cutie pie you see, then you hold it and say, "Oh my God, such a cutie pie." So what are these? Yes, absolutely correct. These are cheeks. Please write down there. The answer is cheeks. Okay. Now, the smallest fingers of your hand. What are the smallest finger of your hand? You know what is this called? Little finger. Okay, so this will be your little finger so that you know how to write, right? So this is your little finger. Yeah. The back part of your foot. What is the back part of your foot is called? Sole. Yeah. This is sole. So write down sole. Okay. Now, one of the 5 parts at the front end of your foot. What are the 5 things in the front end of your foot? What are they called? Yes. What are the 5 things in the front part of your foot? Correct. They are your toes. Okay, children. Moving ahead. So now you know whatever questions being asked, we have already answered. Now this is very interesting, children. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to stand in front of a mirror and look at yourself. Okay. Stand in front of a mirror that you always stand, right? You stand, no? To see how you look. Are you looking good or not? So here also, you have to stand in front of the mirror and look at your body. Your body is amazing. It is made up of many parts that are working all the time to keep us alive. All the time, whether you are sleeping or you are walking or you are listening to TV, all the body parts are working. Your heart, your lungs, your liver, your brain, everything is working. Even if you're sleeping, everything is working, right? To keep you alive. These body parts let us do a lot of things, such as what all things these body parts help us to do? Thinking with the brain, seeing with the eyes, hearing with the nose, touching with the skin, breathing with your lungs. Okay, nose I can say. Breathing with your nose. Hearing with your ears. Okay? And walking with the foot. Yeah. So let's see once again. Thinking with the brain, seeing with eyes, hearing with ears, touching with your skin, breathing with your nose, and walking with your foot. Okay. Let us take a look at the different parts of our body and what they do. So children, now we are going to see how our different parts of the body help us. Okay, and what are these different parts are called. Okay children, so we are going to do that in a short while.